Okay, so here's the Ameristar unit running again. Just got this unit starting up a couple minutes ago. Got a Copeland scroll compressor. And I got this unit starting up last month, but I wanted to use my new setup, which is just standing it like on all kind of like. I was thinking about doing something like this, or just like that in front, but no, the front's right there. At some point, I was thinking about doing a setup kind of like that, but I just decided to just do this for the heck of it. But it's better than just putting it on top, facing down like that. So, yeah. It's down. And Andrew just told me that it has got a fan motor. There we go, right there. I don't know the name at the moment, but I'll put a link. I'll put the name in the description of this video. So I don't remember at the top of my head. It's not a Broad Ocean or not a Broad Ocean or Gentech. That one has a Broad Ocean, though. Something like a wing fan mode or something like that. I'll just put it in the description. But yeah, sorry. Here. It's looking good. Well, actually, it's kind of cold. It's looking good. But I didn't notice right here. This is where the old unit that used to be right here was cut. It might have replaced another Grandeur because you can see this is where the old Grandeur was cut. I did get some videos of the old Grandeur, but I never got I never uploaded the videos. Oh, and a cap's missing. I never noticed that. But yeah, this will probably help me replace the Grandeur as well. But yeah, it's really nice out today. It's Memorial Day weekend, so and the train actually fired up. Just gotta look around to it. It's looking good. Kira just started running. Those 2 4-tons actually have a leak, so I'm gonna tell somebody about those too. But yeah, just thought I'd get a video of this unit starting up and running. So I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time.